guys, how are you? Well, I promise when the glass protective UV cover will come, I will do a review. So I don't know, I paid $10 or $15. It has inside a pen with a special liquid that will stick the glass screen cover to your phone. You have to pour all the liquid inside on this section of the phone. I believe it will work the same on the middle of the phone, and you have to calibrate without pressing on the screen protector. Just calibrate it. If you don't succeed from the first time to put it right, it's not a problem. This liquid will not dry up until you use the UV light. You have to insert a USB and the UV light will work. And before this, guys, you have a sticker, a dust absorber, that you will use it to collect the dust on all your screen. But before this, you have a wet tissue that you will use it to wipe and clean all your screen. And then if it remains the dust particles, just use this dust remover. Work in a room without a lot of movement, with clean environment. Wash your hands before to make this job perfect. So guys, let's begin the process. Guys, I have a stain there. I hope the stain will come off as the glue or the solution goes on to the screen. I will wait. Now guys, that stain on the bottom of the phone, I leave it more. You can leave it 10 minutes to do this operation. It's not a problem. Just leave the phone 10 minutes. It was a small gap or a small hole that the liquid didn't catch, so I very easy touch with the finger on the bottom side near to that open space to fill it up with the liquid, and then I use the UV light. You got to go really slow up and down. It's not a specific time to do this operation. Be careful with the wire instead, because you don't have a support like other UV lights. You know, they have a support for you got to hold on 3 parts of the screen. You can hold like this, one part, divide in 3 the screen, hold 1 minute the first part, the second part hold 1 minute, and the third part hold 1 minute. You'll see drops on the side of the screen where you can wash it out, gently immerse in water, some clothing or some microfiber, and wash out that liquid. I don't know why manufacturers don't make all the screen to measure it perfectly, because even on the ear speaker you will find that it remains some gaps, some space there, that if you drop it on some small rocks you will break it. I hope this will not be the case, because this protective leather cover has something that goes on the screen. So I hope this will not be the case. I hope this will be good, because now sincerely guys, it's looking good. It doesn't have any, you know, those tiny particles on you will get them on the under the film protective screen. So under this glass, tempered glass UV protective screen, you will not find any dust particles. But I insist guys with this dust absorber or remover. So guys, this is a tip. If you have that liquid infiltrated into the ear speaker, just use a small brush and brush that with water after you use the UV lamp. After a period of time, wait, I don't know, half an hour, and use a brush to get out all that filth from the ear speaker. So at the fingerprints, guys, it's not a fingerprint magnet. I like this cover. So after this operation, guys, go and put your fingerprint and it will work flawlessly. So if you see the fingerprint works, the phone unlocks successfully. It doesn't have any kind of problem. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, guys. See you. Have a great day. Bye.